Hey guys, Justin down here at Williams Toyota of Elmira, and today we're going to check out the 2025 Toyota Sienna. This particular Sienna is an LE front-wheel drive, and all the Siennas are hybrid. And in the trunk of the Sienna, plenty of cargo space. This is with the third row seat actually folded up. Plenty of room for golf club, stroller, and then folding these seats down is very simple. Just grab the handle and it falls right down in. And then if you do take the center seat out in the second row, it stores right in the back here, out of the way, until you're ready to reinstall it. The Sienna's got the power sliding door. You can open it with just the touch of a button or the key fob or from the inside. And then on the inside, the LE models will come standard with 8-passenger seating, and the center seat is removable. One benefit of this particular LE model, it does have the Plus package, which gives you these black roof rails if you needed extra cargo space on a trip. Does come with a sunroof, and then the rear view mirror has a garage door opener built in as well. And under the hood, we have a 4-cylinder hybrid engine. One of the benefits though, with the front wheel drive Sienna, you'll get 36 miles per gallon combined, city and highway. On the inside of the Sienna, we have a wireless charger and a 2-tiered dash system here, so you can put like a bag or a purse underneath. Then you can also put cups up here. We have 4 cup holders. Very deep spot here. You can load it right up with stuff. This one does have different drive modes, so you'll have your Eco, Normal, Sport to adjust the shift points in the transmission. Comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can open up the doors from the back right here. Both sliding doors. Sunshade for the sunroof. And the Sienna has a 3-zone automatic climate control. You can control all the climate from the whole van right up front. Come stop by Williams Toyota of Elmira and take it for a test drive.